Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm showing you my first time at a hair expo, all right? So this is going to be like super quick, but I just wanted to just share because I was really excited and proud of myself. So here's my table. So what I did was preset my table up like a couple days before, took a picture of it, so I knew exactly where I wanted everything to be. Hey, yes. So I got my shirt, I got everything. I brought 2 wigs with me, actually 4, but I put 2 on the table and 1 in the back. So just a few things that I would say I would do differently. I would only keep 2 wigs out. There goes my banner that I bought from Banner Buzz. Yes, here's a picture of what everybody else's looked like. Everything got a lot more crowded afterwards. It was just people started coming in late. I got there really early. So we are sitting here, and it looks as though I haven't seen a lot of people coming yet, but it's only 10 o'clock. It's supposed to be starting at 10 o'clock. So we're trying to see, what everything is looking like. And also, there's supposed to be a fashion show, so I would love to get the fashion show recorded too. All right, stay tuned. Now what I'm doing is waiting for people to come to my table, okay? So I had people pretty much sign email list, which what I would have done otherwise was have them also follow me on Instagram. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do next time. So I put like 3 bundles of what we sell. We sell 4, but straight hairs, everybody knows. I had my deep wave, a textured hair, and then I had a short wig over to the left side. Now, the reason why I had the textured is because it was called Natural Hair Fest. So I figured people would be coming there for like natural hair. So I wanted to give them the most curlier texture as possible, right? But I didn't like how my deep wave wig was set. Of course, I had to transport everything in a bag, so it kind of got a little messed up, and then it looked like it got a lot puffier throughout the day, but I'll fix that the next time I go to another event. So what I did notice is that a lot of people were gravitating towards the shorter hair, and I think it's because the hair looked a lot better on the mannequin, but that was my fault because it got messed up in transport. But I also provided a $30 off with a coupon code so I can track where my actual sales came from which part. So I also made samples. I sell hair oil as well, which I'm starting to put that out there a little bit more. So, but I've been making it hair oil for years, pretty much. But I'm starting to just brand it, and I gave away a little sample, like a little tube of hair oil to everybody who signed up for my email list. So that's something good that you can do if you want to get people to sign up, and if they're hesitant, like no, give them a sample. You know what I'm saying? People love samples, and they come to these events expecting to get some type of samples or something like that. So I also was selling lashes because I was going to give lashes away, but I was advised to actually sell the lashes, even though I don't offer lashes on my website. So, but I didn't really sell anything. So to be just honest with you, I didn't sell anything, but I got a lot of email lists. I got about 45 emails, so that was good. I sent an email like a couple days later, reminder email telling them to use the discount code on wigs, and I got about like 30% open, so that was way more than what I normally get when they just organically come to sign up to my email list. So that part was good. I really enjoyed that part, and I really benefited, I should say, from that part. And the fee to go in there was like $200, which I guess wasn't that bad because there was a lot of foot traffic. I was really surprised in that small room. It was a lot of people there. But this again was my first time doing a vending event. Next time I'm going to take a lot more pictures and I'm going to show you all. And if you have any questions about vending, just let me know. I'll just give you a rundown of my first event in more detail if you would like. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.